Are you trying to record better audio for your talking head video, but it still sounds like you're in an empty cathedral? Your microphone might be to blame. Hi, my name is Serge, and on this channel, we help people tell better stories through more engaging videos. And there's nothing out there that hurts viewer engagement more than bad audio. If your video sounds like people are going to click off and move on to the next one. Today, we're going to talk about the equipment you can use, how to record your audio, set the volume level, and sync your audio to your video for professional sound. First, let's talk about your mic, and this could be what's hurting your audio. More specifically, the type of microphone you use and its placement. First of all, the mic on your camera sucks, so don't use it. If you're recording talking head videos, in my opinion, a dynamic mic is the best type of microphone you can use. The advantages of using a dynamic microphone over a condenser mic is it's designed to only pick up audio signals in very close proximity to it. Most of the background noises, like your furnace or AC running in the background, any street noise coming in through your windows, even the sound reflections of your room will be rejected. This alone will make your audio sound much better. But there is a couple of disadvantages to using this type of mic. One, since it needs to be very close to the sound source, it's probably going to be in your frame. To me, it's not a big deal, but if you absolutely can't have it in your frame, a shotgun mic might be a better option. Two, depending on the connections on your mic, you might need an audio interface to record with it. There's a few affordable options out there for this, or you could get a USB mic that can be connected right to your computer. The mic I use is a Deity VO7U, and this hooks up directly to my computer. And three, since you will be recording your audio separately, you will need to sync it to your video. Final Cut Pro makes this very simple, and I'll show you exactly how to do it later on in the video. To record my audio, I normally use GarageBand. It's free and it does a great job. Let's connect our mic to our computer, open up GarageBand, and set it up for audio recording. Make a new project, and set the audio type to voice. Up at the top, let's turn off the metronome and count in, and since we're just recording voice, let's change our project parameters to just time. Also, down in the effects panel, make sure your mic is selected. Right above that is a record level slider. Talk normally into your mic while watching the audio levels and adjust this slider to make sure the meter stays mostly green. You're now ready to record your audio. Turn on your camera, make sure it's recording audio, and press the record button. Press record in GarageBand and start recording your video. Once done, stop your camera recording and hit the stop button in GarageBand. Now, you could edit your audio recording right in GarageBand, but since we're going to sync it with our video, we'll export this file and do all our editing right in Final Cut Pro. Up in the menu bar, select Share and select Export Song to Disk. Choose your export file type, I use AAC, and hit the export button to export your audio file. Next, we'll import our audio track and our video file into Final Cut Pro and sync them up to replace our camera audio. Before we do that, I just want to take a few seconds to tell you about today's sponsor, Envato Elements. Envato Elements is an all-in-one subscription service that comes with over 10 million digital assets to help you make better videos. They have stock footage, royalty-free music and sound effects, video templates, graphic templates, fonts, and so much more. For one low monthly price, you get unlimited downloads, and with our one simple license, you never have to worry about copyright strikes. Click the link in the video description and try it free for 7 days and see how Envato Elements can help you make better videos. Now, back to our video. Import your video clip and the audio file from GarageBand into Final Cut Pro. Command-click both your clips in the media browser, right-click on either one, and select Synchronize Clips. In the pop-up window, give it a name, and make sure both use Audio for Synchronization and Disable Audio Components on AV Clips checkboxes are selected. Click OK. Final Cut Pro will line up audio in both your clips, disable camera audio, and replace it with a much better GarageBand recording. In your media browser, you'll see a new clip with a synchronized clip icon in the top left corner. Add this clip to your timeline. Before we start editing our clip, there's a couple more steps we need to take. If we play it back, you'll notice the audio in this clip seems very quiet. My videos look nothing like the promo video at the mall. Instead of giving up, there's a few different ways to increase the volume in this clip, but what I recommend is using the limiter effect. Open your effects browser, and from the levels category, grab the limiter effect. Add this to your clip. Go to the audio inspector and open the limiter effect user interface. Set the output level to -3 decibels. Set your release to about 250 milliseconds and set the look-ahead value to 5. Switch to legacy mode and make sure soft knee is turned on. Play back your clip and adjust the gain slider until the reduction meter reads between 1.5 and 3 dB. Camera and started filming. Needless to say, my videos looked nothing like the promo video at the mall. Any more than that will make your voice sound unnatural. And last, even though your recording already sounds great, you might still have a tiny bit of background noise. To remove this, go back to your audio inspector and select the voice isolation checkbox. A little bit goes a long ways here, so drop the amount down to about 20 or 30%. Here's what our camera audio sounded like. Tell me if this has ever happened to you. You have a killer idea for a video, and here's the same clip with audio from our mic. Tell me if this has ever happened to you. You have a killer idea for a video. If you want to learn more about improving audio in your project, I put together a short playlist you can watch here, and I'll link it in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here next week.